You're looking at the Mercedes Benz EQV, Merc's second take on a battery electric vehicle after its EQC SUV. As you've already ascertained, it's a V-Class, only the diesel's been chucked in the bin and there's some batteries under the floor powering a 204 horsepower electric motor up front. The EQV300 doesn't change any of the fundamental characteristics that have made the V-Class so popular. There are no overt electrically themed styling changes outside, and perhaps most importantly, it's as comfortable and spacious inside as before. Charging. That depends on the charger. At a rapid public one, 110 kilowatts, it'll juice that battery from 10 to 80% in 45 minutes. At home, on your driveway, from 10 to 100% with a 400 V16A wall box it'll take around 10 hours. So, overnight then. Obviously all that can be monitored and managed via your smartphone, and there's all the preconditioning possibilities, be it warm or cold, to make setting off as comfortable and economical as possible. And how far does that get me? It'll drive as much as 213 miles, or 211 with this range-topping EQV300 Sport Premium Plus model here. A useful distance then, and enough, says Mercedes-Benz, for a week's worth of the average European's 15.5 miles of daily travel. All EQV models also get a great level of standard equipment, much as you'd expect from such an expensive vehicle. Highlights include LED headlights, 12-volt outlets for rear seat passengers and in the boot, ambient lighting, automatic wipers, cruise control, lane keeping assistance, traffic sign recognition and a 10.25-inch infotainment screen as found on other Mercedes cars. However, one small point is that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are only supported on Sport Premium cars and upwards. There are 3 trim levels: Sport, Sport Premium and Sport Premium Plus. The first of these can be configured in a 2-2-3 or 2-3-2 seating formation, while Premium and Premium Plus cars get a 2-2-3 layout with a fold-out table system for middle-row passengers. Leather upholstery is standard on all models, as are heated front seats, automatic climate control and ebony wood effect trim, so the overall effect is more executive express than school-run bus.